Hello everybody, this is the Quotient, and I am playing Slime Rancher. This is my first time really putting anything out or recording anything for YouTube, but I wanted to start with get this game specifically because I really don't have anything specific as to why I wanted to start with it. But one of the reasons was because I've never seen this game before. It was free, which is nice. And on top of that, I've never seen any videos on YouTube that actually like stand out for this game. So I just wanted to do something different to start with. So I'd already recorded one video for this game, but I didn't really like the way it went. I just wanted to do it again. So here we go. Slime Rancher. Do new game. Um, Game name. We just could put Rancher, all caps. That is Rancher. That is not Rancher. And then save icon. Oh, wow, that's a cool looking one. I actually did like the fire one before. The lava one. But I'm going to do this last one this time. What in the world? I literally just wanted to pick a save icon and then it does that. And then adventure, you know, that's what it says for the adventure. Live this life of a slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. 5-day rush, you know, you have 5 days to gain as much money in this game as you possibly can. And I guess they're called new bucks. That's what it says. I was trying to figure out what kind of money, like the currency, what the name of it was, but new bucks, you know. Pretty sure that's it. Alright, here. Let's go ahead and start. Yeah, the last video I did, my audio was pretty loud. The game audio was pretty loud. It was kind of hard to hear talking. So, I'm going to turn down my volume some for my mic. Also, turn down the game volume. Alright. I'm going to try to go through. I've already done all this before, so I'm just going to go through and get it done quickly if possible. Alright, vacuumed up a pink slime. I vacuumed up a chicken. Chickens are good for the slimes to eat. Slimes drop these plorts once they eat a chicken or any other food, I suppose. And then I take my slime. This is a coral, what do I say? Coral barrier. You shoot it in there. It can't get out once it gets in there. So they're basically caged. So I'm a rancher. I'm ranching or farming slimes. This is where we put them. They can't get out. Alright, now. Boom. Eat that chicken. Oh, dang, he ate it quick, too. And he dropped a plort. I don't want the slime. Put the slime back. Okay, so I picked up 2 plorts, and I was also trying to figure this out earlier. This whole, like, little window of things. And I'm pretty sure I figured it out. So, the little, like, N on the window where it says like N13, N30, 24, 28. Those are new bugs. That's how many new bugs each plort gives you, like each type of plort. So I have the pink plort. I'm going to shoot 2 in there. See at the bottom left is the new bugs. I have 250 right now. These are 13 each. Oh, I got to change it. There we go. And now I have 276. So that's how that works. Pink slimes give out pink plorts, and these are different slimes that give out these different plorts. So that covers the basics. Let's see. Now I can just explore and pick up new slimes, pick up food. I'm gonna be pretty quickly back to the place I was at before. Let me farm these slimes up. I really don't know, like, ooh, carrots. Let's see. I don't see any more carrots. Next to a vac pack, it's a rancher's best friend, a carrot. Cool. I don't know if you can eat food in this game or not. Alright, so like, here's these little barriers. You can't go past them. And you do have stamina, so you can only run for so long. Anyway, so like, oh, there it goes. Star mail is received. I'll go look at that in a minute. But these barriers, like, you can activate it, and you have to buy that area, the overgrowth. The ranch's very own wild side. So there's no telling what is over there. I don't have enough to purchase that right now. I think it said press X, and it would give you, yeah, learn more about that area. Okay, this is the Slimepedia. Tells you everything you want to know. And you can get to that by pressing up on the D-pad or pausing the game, going to Slimepedia. So let's go ahead, go in here, look at the smell, get it over with. So I've already done it once already. Alright, so Rise and Shine from Casey. So if you want to pause that, read it real quick. I've already read it once. Basically, your friend is excited because now you are, on this new planet. She's wondering, or she is wondering how everything is going. They're excited. And then the Z7Z Corporation, I guess that's who sent you here. And they tell you if you need anything. Let's say, Lassie, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. Okay. So they provide the stuff that you need from. I wonder if this is the shop right here, but I don't know that it's unlocked yet. We'll see what happens. So over here is like another area that you can't go into yet because you have to buy it. The grotto. A chickadee. So little and so soft. You'd think they're filled with a marshmallow. Chickadees. I don't know if that's like a tiny little thing. I wonder if I can feed it to the slime. So here's the next area. This one right here you can't go into. It's 10,000 new bucks. I don't know how hard that would be to get, but allows you to begin your career as an amateur, unlicensed slime scientist. Here's water down here. Wonder if you can vacuum that up. It says you need like a water tank or something before you can vacuum water. Alright, but anyway. Now that I'm getting back to where I was at before, these like little plots over here, like that coral barrier, you can activate these and buy different things, like another coop, a garden, another barrier. Happy slimes make for a happy rancher. I guess that's where you stick them. I don't know. Keeping chickens in their place prevents the uprising. Oh, cool. You can even collect chickens, put them in their own little coop. Let's see. We have a silo. You can't take it with you when you go, so put it in storage. Cool. Incinerator. Don't need it. Burn it. Awesome. Pond. Water. What are you going to do with this? Alright, so those are the things that we could do, but right now I just really want to get back to exploring and getting the things that I had before. A dry reef, a coral-crusted ocean floor that now basks under a golden sun. Your new entry from the Slimepedia. So these little H's right here, if you want to read that, there's a little notes from the people who owned this ranch in the past, but they decided they wanted to go on like more adventures, so they left. And they leave these little notes here and there, so you can read them and I guess learn new things from them as they are adventuring. So let's go ahead and Start sucking up these slimes and carrots and plorts and all the little good things that are just chilling over here. Like, I don't know, they like smile and laugh at you like it's awesome that you're sucking them up in your little gun. Okay. So, let's go put these slimes in here. Boom, boom, boom. Get them all in there. Take these plorts. I got 8 of them. Get some money out of them. Awesome. I got this chickadee, and it almost looks too cute to feed to a slime. Look at these. Where are they coming from, man? Oh, man. That stinks. So, like, when I started the first time, there was a box right here, and it had a new rock slime in it. It was blue when I broke the box, and now it's not here this time. I thought it was, like, every time, but I guess it's random. It had some, like, it was pretty cool. Can't get it. Well, it's still on my other saved game, but it's not going to be on this one. Let's get these carrots. Ah, man, where are these slimes coming from, man? It's going to bother me because I just want to get them all, clean the area. Clean it up, get it out, get it all out, you know, like, basically make it barren. Better not turn around, there's going to be more. Ah, look at that crap. Where are they coming from? I'm going to have so many of these. I think I'm just going to go ahead and try to feed them this chickadee so I'm not carrying it around. Ooh. How'd you get out? Let's see. Pick this up, see what this is. A pogo fruit, the most common fruit found on the range, and some say the most delicious. Oh look, more chickadees. Oh, you know I never even fed those slimes, those chickadees. Or that one chickadee I had. Got these carrots. This is the farthest I've been with this exploring so far. That's as many as I can carry. 20 carrots. I wonder if it's like 20 of each item is the most that you can carry. Whoa, dude. What the heck? You see that? Ah, dude, there's those rock slimes I was telling you about. You see how, like, those are pink rock slimes? It's because it explains it, like, when a blue rock slime eats a pink slime's plort, it basically becomes like a slime hybrid. I'm gonna go take all this stuff back. It's getting dark out anyway. I wonder what happens when it gets dark out. What's this way? The heck is that? Oh, snap. Look at all these slimes. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, pretty sure you can get hurt by the slimes too. I don't know if all of them hurt you, maybe just some of them. Like, those rock slimes were rolling around. It looked like the spikes on them. I'm pretty sure that they can, you know, hit you, run into you, hurt you, but I don't know about these. Let's find out. Nah. Okay, let's see. Let's go put these plorts in here, get some monies. pogo fruit. 250. So I need 500 to get what I really would like. I don't think. Oh, where'd that chicken go? There it is. Okay, let's get these plorts. Put them back in here. Man, I'm so close to 500. Come on, I need one more chicken. Give me a chicken, give me a chicken. Give me a chicken, Eddie. I like chickens. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, stuff gets wild at night, I guess, huh? I don't see either. I need another plort or I need a chicken. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure these things eat carrots. Don't necessarily want to shoot my chicken do in there yet. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yep. Gotcha. $500. Alright. We're gonna make a garden. You built a garden. Shoot a fruit or veggie into the depositor to begin growing more of that type. Okay. And now, a coop. Uh-huh. Oh, tell me about the coop and how it works. Whatever, I guess I could do this first. Let's get some pogo fruits. Interesting. That doesn't work. So does it, I wonder if it only grows one at a, yeah, one at a time, I guess. And this, is where I'll keep my chickadoos. In my chicken coop. Whoa, bro, how'd you get out? You need to go back home. Oh, snap. Just like, shooting him out. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Whoa. Okay. There you go. Everybody stays in. Stop jumping out. Tired of that. Not really. So basically right now I just need to feed, I guess, all of my carrots and pogo fruit to these slimes and get a bunch of plort, turn it in, build stuff. Yeah. But, let's see. Man, an achievement. Let's pick up all of these plorts. Is there any more? Ah, come on. Yep, you ate that too. Cool. So you're telling me I can't pick up plorts when I already have one, like, vacuum chamber full. But I have other empty vacuum chambers. I should be able to just fill those up with plorts. Whatever. Go put these in here. Yeah, I didn't really get much for that. Whatever. Ooh, gotcha. Where's it at? Where's it at? There you are. Put you back. There we go. So the value has decreased on this plort. I wonder if that changes throughout, like, each day. I wonder if it's different, but the value is down to 10 new bucks per pink plort. It was 13. Alright. Well, so this is the beginning of our ranch. The beginning of our slime ranch. Here on whatever planet this is. But, I'm happy you guys are with me. And I sure hope that, you've enjoyed this video. Hope you leave a like. And, thank you. So I'm gonna go to bed now. Until next time.